Hi everybody, so today I want to read you a poem called Sounds of Summer. The author is Lila Lee Silvern. And what she does is she writes a poem about summer, but specifically she focuses on the sounds that she hears in the summertime. So I'm going to read it to you, not very long, and I want you to see if you can tell what I'm talking about when she's talking about the sounds of summer. Then we'll go over those. So listen. Listen all around to each and every summer sound. Put your ear next to a tree and you will hear what you can't see. Outside or in, listen. Do you hear a back door squeaking? Squeak, squeak, squeak. Do you hear a faucet leaking? Drip, drip, drip. Do you hear a fan humming away? Hum, hum, hum. Do you hear bugs buzzing all day? Buzz, buzz, buzz. Crickets are chirping in the grass, or maybe at their music class. Chirp, chirp, chirp. Kids are playing in the pool when they get out of summer school. Hear them splash and hear them scream. Let's get out and eat ice cream. Slurp, slurp, slurp. So if you notice, the author mentions some of these things that she hears in the summer. So the back door, when it's closing or opening, she hears it say, squeak. And I'm gonna make it long, spelling it wrong, and that's okay because she makes it go squeak. The faucet leaking, if you remember, she said drip, drip, drip. The fan humming, I think she said hum. So I'll put a lot of M's there. The bugs buzzing, buzz. We hear those a lot in summertime. The crickets chirping, chirp, chirp, chirp. And kids eating ice cream. She said slurp, slurp, slurp. So what I want you guys to do, I wrote some other items that make some sounds in the summertime that we hear a lot, like the sprinklers. The sprinklers, we hear them all summer long. We turn them on and we hear them going, right? In our backyard or our front yard, or maybe even at the park. The air conditioner, if you have an air conditioner, you turn it on, it definitely makes a lot of noise. What does that noise sound like? The birds, especially early in the morning or even as they're going to bed, they make a lot of noise. What would that sound like to you? What word would you use? If you go to the beach and you hear the waves, so again, you have to think of a word. And I know when I cook outside on the grill in the summertime, and I put my food on that grill, there's definitely a sound that's happening on that grill. So I want you to come up with your own words and fill them out and tell me what the sounds of summer are. And you might even come up with some other items, some other things that you might hear in the summertime. Okay, good luck. Thank you.